Anybody first off coming into welding, you'd have to be really patient. Welding is very easy for people that have done it for years, but when you just jump into it, it's something that you have to be very patient on and actually learn, pay attention. It's very hands-on, but it's also a lot of theory, meaning like a lot of book work.
To a new welder, practice. Practice a lot. Dedicate yourself and learn anything you can regarding to your job. Opportunities will always be there.
In a welding career or any career, you need to have a 5-year plan so that you know and you can set up your checkpoints to know, okay, I've achieved this goal, now I can achieve this goal, and work your way up through. Otherwise, if you don't have a 5-year plan or a 3-year plan or whatever kind of a plan, it's awful hard to reach your goal.
If you want to advance in this career, it's there for your taking. You have to pay attention, follow the welding codes and the information given to you. You have to commit to producing good quality work at all times, because there's lives at stake, things that could break. A lot of people are counting on you. If I was to sum up this industry, it would be the more you know, the more you're worth.